Hey folks, so Lock Kraken has a September giveaway where I guess we're supposed to talk about where we would go if money wasn't an issue. We wanted to travel somewhere. So I've been thinking about that. And I also wanted to pick this Yale lock, which I started to pick in the last video, but didn't finish. Okay, so where would I go? Well, Mars. Because, it's been a while. I mean, I've always wanted to go to a planet I've clearly never been to before. Assuming we can go there and come back, well, but again, if money's truly not an object, then that should be an option, don't you think? Well, you know. So yeah, I figured going to a different planet would be interesting. And it's also clearly something I will never be able to afford to do on my own. So, yeah. Also, let's focus a little more on this lock. Okay, reset all the pins. It's one of those locks I can get open pretty quickly most of the time, but once in a while it gets a little tricky. Okay, so we got the first one set. First pin is set. Try not to bump the camera. Well, I might need to re-record this video. Should be using... Oh, no, we got it open. Okay. Yeah, this lock isn't anything particularly special. Pretty basic bitting. Actually got the lock and then rekeyed it recently because I had this key laying around. But, yeah, so, not the best bitting. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, all that jazz. Check out the link in the description section or at the end of the video to Lock Kraken September giveaway if you also want to enter. And I'll see you in the next one, folks. Bye.